Well, hello, my students. I hope you're doing pretty good. Now, a period is how long does it take the graph till it repeats? With sine and cosine, it's 360 degrees. It goes a full circle. So if I want to change the period, for example, y equals sine 2x, the 2 means I want two complete sines, the hill and the valley, where I used to have one. So the question would be, how long would it take to do one of the two? Well, the period change. To find the new period, you go 360 divided by b. And b is the number times the x. So in this case, the period change would be 360 divided by 2, which is 180. So I need a full hill and valley in the first 180. Then I need another hill and valley in the next 180 to have two complete between 0 and 360. Now for my class, I'm just going to have you draw one period each time. Now if you look at the coordinate system, every 90 degrees we have an important point for sine and cosine. Well, 90 is 1/4 of the distance. 90 over 360. So I want to keep that ratio in my new graph. So I want my new graph to be a model of the old graph. So I go 1/4 of 180 is 45. So my new graph would be every 45 units, 45 degrees, there's an important thing that happens. Just like in the original y equals sine x, there's every 90 degrees. By the way, don't forget that this coming Monday, we do have off. So if you remember how sine goes, it starts at 0, goes to 1, goes to 0, goes to -1, goes to 0. Whee! Now, if the teacher said, I want you to graph between 0 and 360, I would just keep going every 45 degrees. So let's look at this one. Y equals cosine of, let's do 3x. So that means I want 3 cosines between 0 and 360, where I used to just have one. So my period would be 360 divided by 3, meaning every 120 degrees would be a graph. Now, 1/4 of 120 is 30 degrees. So that means every 30 degrees, something important happens. so it stays in the same relationship as the original y equals sine x. So, let's see, this is 1, this is -1. Now remember, 3 of these is 180, so 1 1/2 of those would be 90. So go every 30 degrees. Cosine is 1, 0, -1, 0, 1. Whee! Since I'm already at almost, well, I'm going to be at 6 minutes right here, I come to stop and start the next video. If I go longer than 10 minutes, it takes a long time to download. So let's stop there and I'll do more in a minute. Thank you.